Children ask if Sandor comes inside the kitchen, and he's a real keen eater, and he'll come right in and eat away every day. In the winter I don't have him in that often because it's a bit too cold to let all the heat out, but this time of year he gets more and more tame. And last year in 2012 he came right into the hall for a piece of Wiltshire ham, a lovely moist slice of ham, and he followed it through the kitchen into the hall. And Sandor is very trustworthy of me, but he does like to have an escape route, and that's why he comes into the kitchen for a few seconds, then he goes out and he checks his escape route, then he comes back in. And often I sit on the chair to the right of the picture and eat my dinner, and I have the mat on the floor beside the chair, and he comes in for onion rings and pieces of fish, because he really likes fish, and he knows today he's got a big treat because he's going to have a salmon sandwich. Come on, Sandor, come for your breakfast. Or would you like to make the next part of the video on the patio? The name's Sandor. I got it from a James Bond film, Live and Let Die, when Sandor the gangster, the heavy, goes off the edge of the roof, and I thought, well, I have a Sandor that can fly and live. Let's see if we can show you how clever Sandor is at catching bread in the air. Sandor! Come on then. Here you are. Can you catch that? Nope. Catch that? Nope. Well, we'll see if you can catch it on the patio. Bye bye, Sandor. We'll see you in a minute, unless you've changed your mind. Bye, Sandor. We'll see you in a minute. You going to come for some salmon?